I'm using Oraimo. That's the clip I'm using. So this is how to shave your own hair. This is the lowest step, step 1. Put step 1. As you know, I'm growing my hair with a bit of shaker, but due to uneven growth, I always have to shave my hair every week. And actually I don't want it to be so big, but at least to be even. So I've owned it. I've put the step at the highest or lowest, as you may call it, on here. Then you shift down, 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 forward, 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 down, down. That's how to shave. You don't shave anyhow. Okay? You see? My battery don't die. My battery don't die. I'm back because I connected the charger. It's a Type-C charger. So when shaving, always maintain the pattern. Once you change your direction of your hand, you have spoiled the whole hair you're shaving. So you must maintain the direction. A common mistake is to forget to shave down the neck area. It's quite common. So something you can use when shaving is mirror. Okay, so always use a mirror to make sure that you are shaving correctly. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hope you saw it. So the last place I'm going to shave is here. Before you shave your beards, you pull it so that all the overgrowth will come out. As you can see, all the small overgrowth, then you can take it out. And of course, I usually have a lot of hair here because I'm growing hair, so you may not notice it because I shave it every week. Now a lot of hair appears here, but not enough here yet, so I'm just gonna trim everything, put back my step. That's the way I want my beds. Everybody has a special way they want their beds to be. This is the way I like mine to be. Okay, so I think we're done. All right. You don't need a barber to shave your hair as a man. Once you take your time and practice, you will get it. Remember, the rule is shave down all the way here. Shave it down because that's how the hair normally grows. And then from the back here all the way to the front, you shave front. That's it. Don't change your hand. All right. Then your beds, mostly you shave down your beds. All right. And remember, if you're having bumps when you shave, don't press the clippers because that's why you're having bumps. If you press the clipper, like when I was shaving here, if I press the clip, no, take it gentle. If you gently shave, you will never have bumps. If you do it very gently, you will never have bumps. You don't even need shaving cream and all those things. Some of those things cause gray hair. All those shaving cream, you don't need it. All right. If you ever need to apply anything, just apply oil, coconut oil, castor oil, any oil you want to apply. Then you shave gently. You will never have bumps. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow me. Okay, click this plus sign to follow me. If you know somebody having bumps, share to them. And of course, I used to be very bald. Look at what I used to look like, and can you imagine all this hair coming in? And if you want to get the oil I'm using, I created it at home. This is homemade oil. This is the oil that made my hair to grow to this extent. And I've been shaving my hair, would have been much more than this. If you want the ingredients I used here, inbox me, I will tell you, but not for free. I don't tell for free, but I will tell you. You'll gather it around you, or I can give you contact of somebody that will package it and send to you. That's if you're within Nigeria, and your hair will grow. This started growing my hair after 3 months of using. That's when my hair started growing. I used to be like very bald, like hair used to be smooth like this place.